Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with CGC, as we didn't actually trade today, but this will certainly give us a good idea of what to expect tomorrow when wheat opens. Alright, so CGC, it ever so slightly took out the low of yesterday. Okay, and that was just a stop running move on the open. But then actually ended up being quite a bullish day, and not quite a bullish engulfing. We came up just a little short as far as closing above the real body of the prior candle, although as you can see, it wasn't too far off there at the end of the day. But nonetheless, not technically an engulfing signal, but we did close above the T line here, and that's quite positive. Volume is obviously pretty low because it's a holiday trading week, and there's just not as much participation due to that. But nonetheless, still over 2.5 million shares traded, so this still means something. And okay, so we're up a little over 5% on the day from Friday's close. So all else being equal, when wheat opens tomorrow, it should open well, roughly 5% higher than it closed on Friday. But that'll also depend on some pre-market action and that sort of thing. But just to give an idea, should be a bullish open on wheat tomorrow, and obviously CGC as well. So going in a little closer, right here on our 50-minute chart. So from last time, now this actually isn't showing. So this looks like the low of Friday held, when in fact it did not. It actually got slightly taken out just at the open, and then we went up. So I'll go to my thinkorswim chart to show that afterwards. But as you can see, largely progressing as we expected we were going to. I mean, if we just go the weed chart, so here's where we stopped off on weed on Friday, and now we're somewhere up over here on CGC, right? So directionally, we were expecting higher, and so far that's playing out as expected. And okay, I'll just go that thinkorswim chart just to show you. So this is the actual low here today, and that was at 28.63. Okay, whereas you see on that other one, it's showing just a low of 28.86. So that's bad data here on TradingView. This thinkorswim data is in fact correct. So, but nonetheless, we still had, we got our 5-wave move up, as shown on that wave, or the weed wave chart. And then we do have, even with this stop running move, what could be considered a, ABC down, 3 waves down, still right around the 618 retracement level, pointing that out. And then we had a pretty bullish day, and then we consolidated here, and then started breaking out again towards the end of the day, but then the trading day closed. So right on the cusp of breaking the prior high here, which is at 31.14, and that should open the door to getting to a couple of these fib targets. The 100% relationship and the 1.382 reverse fib of this move. So definitely looking at we'll say between $1.50 and $2 upside here, I'd say, as a reasonable minimum target. And certainly if this becomes a more trending kind of advance, and this is actually a significant bottom, which I'm certainly not convinced of yet, then we can start going up to this 1.618 level, 34.93, and potentially even go after new all-time highs. But I'd be cautious with that view. See how it reacts here at this 100% level, and go from there. But yeah, short term, definitely still a little upside juice left, in my opinion. Certainly favoring that probability. And okay, that's good for that chart. So I'll just mention too, overall, usually on these shortened trading weeks, so tomorrow US closes at I believe 3 hours earlier than usual, 1 p.m. Eastern it'll close. And then Wednesday the US markets are closed altogether for Independence Day, and then Thursday, Friday they're open. So typically on these shortened trading weeks, there's usually a little bit of a bullish bias along with low liquidity. But that's just a tendency, certainly nothing to rely upon. But just in past, that's definitely the observation I've had is bullish bias seems to be the common way these weeks play out. So we'll see how it goes. Certainly still looking good for a little more short-term upside at least here. All right. Hopefully that's a good update. Serial Trader signing off.